Welcome to the final week of lectures of the Introduction to Machine Learning module. The topics that we'll cover in these lectures will not be in the exam. These are topics of wider application of machine learning, of impacts on society and the way we live our lives. Some of these topics are kind of fun and entertaining, others maybe a bit less so, but that doesn't mean that they don't have serious effects and consequences and that they aren't worth considering and thinking about. The intention here is to help you to broaden your understanding of machine learning as it exists in the real world, which may or may not be a realistic ambition and also may or may not be something that you are interested in. You are perfectly entitled to skip these lectures entirely if all you are interested in is completing the exam. And the treatment here is inevitably going to be pretty shallow. You may have other modules following on next term or even also occurring in parallel this term which go into these subjects in greater detail and more depth. Really, my intention in this week's lectures is just to sketch some broad outlines and give you a jumping off point if you want to look into these topic areas in more detail yourself.